Continent Soul on the production.
The sound of the universe. It never stops playing, it's playing right now. Listen, I can hear the sounds of the universe. Every melody, a love song, nothing's unrehearsed. From the coma to the cosmos, I was there at first. And the neon kept humming, quenching every thirst. Sounds of the universe. There's always a song playing. Sounds of the universe. Love is what it's saying. Summer 16, my body shut down, but my spirit traveled far. Past the ruby galaxy, past every Martian star. And there it was on, the first sound ever made. The frequency that started everything before the blade. If time could cut the silence into seconds, I was dazed. The universe was singing and it sang in every way. It accompanied me through the missions in my coma state. Every episode, every trial, every gate, I was completing assignments in dimensions I can't name. But the sound was always with me like a pilot, light a flame. Then I finally woke up in the navel, I see you. Great Lakes, recovering, the sound came through that too. New faces but familiar like I knew them from before. Past life connections greeting me at every door. And the singing, oh the singing like a choir from the source. The sound of the universe, reminding me of the sounds of the universe. Every melody, a love song, nothing's unrehearsed. From the coma to the cosmos, I was there at first. And the neon kept humming, quenching every thirst. Sounds of the universe. There's always a song playing. Sounds of the universe. Love is what it's saying. There's nothing that can't be corrected in this life we're in. The only thing that stops the correction is when your time begins. To wind down the clock expires, the body fades to dust. But the sound of the universe keeps playing as a trust. It travels through every cosmos, every galaxy, every realm. The Martians hear it too, from the ruby to the helm. Of every constellation that the human eye can see. The sound was playing long before and after you and me. All I could think of laying in that navel bed recovering. Was how beautiful the universe outside this realm was hovering. Colors I can't describe, dimensions I can't explain. Frequencies that made this early music sound mundane. But the love was overwhelming, unconditional and pure. The sound of the universe is the only lasting cure. For every wound, every scar, every asylum night. The own kept humming, turning in darkness. I can hear the sounds of the universe. Every melody, a love song, nothing's unrehearsed. From the coma to the cosmos, I was there at first. And the neon kept humming, quenching every thirst. Sounds of the universe. There's always a song playing. Sounds of the universe. Love is what it's saying. The Martians know this frequency is coded in our bones. From America's north to south, it resonates in our homes. The sound it started when the first breath hit the void. It's the same sound playing now, it's never been destroyed. Houston raising, the coma woke, the universe embracing. Great Lakes healed me, familiar faces came and traced. Back to the mission that my spirit signed up for. The sound of the universe and behind every single door. And when the world gets heavy and Babylon feels loud, I close my eyes and hear the one beneath the round. It's love, it's affection, it's the original song. The one that's been playing since before we came along. Incognito be one of Martian mystic tuned in to the frequency that most will never hear but once they're leaving. But I heard it in the coma and I brought it back to earth. The sound of the universe, the proof of what we're worth. Sounds of the universe.
Incognito, Neck Team exclusive.
The old never stop. It's playing right now. Love and affection, the original frequency. From the coma to the cosmos,
Waikiki,
Great Lakes,
Great Lakes,
New